The paycheck magic trick, taxes and money. Imagine this, you've been grinding all month, maybe flipping burgers or surviving back-to-back Zoom calls. You get an email saying you earned $2,000. You open your bank app expecting a celebration, but you see $1,456. Where did the rest go? Welcome to the civilization subscription fee, also known as taxes. This isn't financial advice, just practical insights you can apply based on your situation. Most people think of taxes as a robbery, but they're more like the invisible glue holding society together. That money goes toward the roads you drive on, the schools in your neighborhood, and making sure the local taco truck actually meets health codes. You've got income tax, what you pay to earn, sales tax, what you pay to spend, and capital gains, what you pay when your money makes babies while you sleep. It's the price of entry for modern life. What's the most annoying tax you've ever paid? Put your answer in the comments. Let's talk about it. The bank isn't a vault. Banks and fractional reserve. So you take your remaining cash and put it in the bank. You probably picture it sitting in a massive dragon-guarded vault, right? Wrong. The moment you deposit that $1,000, the bank keeps maybe $100 and lends the other $900 to someone who wants a jet ski or a kitchen remodel. This is fractional reserve banking. The bank is basically a matchmaker. They pay you a tiny bit of interest for borrowing your money, then charge the jet ski guy a lot more interest. They keep the difference. The only reason this doesn't collapse is that we all trust the system, and in the US, the government, FDIC, insures your money up to $250,000. Your money isn't in a box, it's a digital promise. The silent engine, interest and inflation. Now let's talk about the two forces that can either make you a millionaire or keep you broke. Interest is just money rent. If you borrow it, you pay rent. If you save it, you collect rent. Simple interest is a flat fee, but compound interest is where the magic or the nightmare happens. If you owe 20% on a credit card, that $12 burrito can turn into a $60 regret because your interest starts earning its own interest. On the flip side, if you invest, your money starts duplicating itself like a cheat code. Meanwhile, inflation is the invisible thief. If a bag of chips costs $3 today but $4 next year, your dollar just got weaker. Inflation happens when there's too much money chasing too few goods. It's why keeping all your wealth in a shoebox is actually a guaranteed way to lose money over time. The adult report card, credit scores, and value. Then there's your credit score, the shadowy 3-digit number that decides if you're adult enough to buy a house. It's not a measure of how much money you have, it's a measure of how much the system trusts you. Think of your credit score like a pet dog. If you ignore it and don't feed it by paying bills on time, it'll poop all over your financial life. If you treat it well, it opens doors. But how do you actually get more money to begin with? It's all about value. Why does a doctor make more than a retail worker? Because the value they provide, saving lives, is rarer and harder to replace. If you want to earn more, stop looking for hacks and start looking for ways to provide more value to more people. Busting the myths and the final flex. Time. Let's end with some truth bombs. A car is an investment. No, it's a depreciating tool. The moment you drive it off the lot, you're bleeding cash. I need money to make money. False. You can start investing with $5 on an app today. Renting is throwing money away. Not always. Renting buys you flexibility and freedom from $10,000 roof repairs. The ultimate flex in the money game isn't a Rolex or a Lamborghini, it's time. Time is the only asset you can't buy back. If you start investing $50 a month at 20 years old, you'll likely end up wealthier than someone starting with $500 a month at age 40. Money is just a social construct, a shared belief that these digital numbers or green papers mean something. Learn the rules of the game, stop being the supply, and start being the investor. Stay smart, keep your value high, and let time do the heavy lifting. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips.